G'day, Lucky. Bonjour. Hey, what'd you say?
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag. Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, monsieur.
Come on. Bonjour, monsieur.
Bonjour, monsieur. Guten Tag. Hey?
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag. Yellow top. On we go. Hey? Bonjour, monsieur. Guten Tag. Yellow top. Yellow top, yes. On we go. G'day, Lucky. Bonjour, monsieur.
It's Thursday, the 11th of August, 2011. Just before Mari's getting ready to go to her dance at 50 plus.
Bonjour, monsieur. Hello, Amigo. Guten Tag. Bonjour, monsieur. Good boy. Good boy.
It's almost 7:30 and we've had our breakfast and we bring Lucky out here and read for a little bit, and he's cleaning up the things on the table. He loves to do that. And he tosses them over the side. Oh, now I can't see him now. Can you move the bowl? He had a little squeak as he does it. There it goes, that's fun.
That's the way.
Oh, that one's coming over this side. No?
He'll come back down and do it again.
He stopped for the moment. Hey, Lucky? A few minutes later, he's at it again. He looks down to see where if it's gone down. That's a big piece. That's an A4 piece of paper. Oh, these are little ones here he likes.
Getting frustrated.
Maybe because he knows I'm doing something different.
Yeah. Oh, you tricked me. Oh, you got one there, didn't you?
So there's Mari looking at and talking to
Mummy tricked you.
Lucky,
One here
and I'll show you where he puts the pieces of paper. There's 2 or 3 on the chair there, and the others are on the floor. It doesn't take him long. It's a real routine. Okay, Lucky's cleaning up the table again. I'll go around and show you on the chair where he puts it. And a bit more. A bit more. Down on the floor. That's enough for the moment. That was about 5 pieces.
What was this bit?
Hello people, it's Friday the 2nd of October 2015 and I have Lucky here, our cockatiel on my shoulder, and some papers here he might hopefully clean up and throw on the floor, similar to how he does it up on our panorama lounge on the floor there, which I've made the little video piece. So here we are, I'll carry on here and it might take a while before it goes down, but see if we can clean up my desk a bit. I'm using Linux here at the moment, then I'm going to send out an email. Okay, clean up. I think he's already thrown one piece over, so hopefully he'll do the rest. He's a very tidy cockatiel. He's Lucky. Well, see, he's already thrown two over. Oh, how lucky. Well, you've already done it, Lucky. I better put these up again and you can throw them down again because you love that, don't you? And you love doing all that. There we are. There, Lucky. Oh, he's cleaning up. I won't even finish this email before he does. Oh, you haven't thrown that couple of there, Lucky. This one here, look, you haven't done that yet. You're a bit slack. You're a bit slack, Lucky. There we are. And a couple more. A couple more, Lucky. These are short emails that I've printed. One last lot, Lucky. There we are. Okay, I think that might do. Well, you enjoyed that, don't you, Lucky? Yeah? He has walked on my keyboard here, and I'm not sure which keyboard. It might be this one here with power. Makes the computer go into sleep. He's done that a couple of times. Anyway, thank you. He's looking at the DVD cover. He's now having his chuckle. We call it chuckle. I don't do this, Mari does this, it's her thing. And he loves a scratch around the ear. Can be anywhere, can be in the lounge room watching TV. Most likely out here in the morning. It's just after 8 o'clock on Labour Day, the 5th of October 2005. Oh, he's really getting tickled around, scratched around the top there. Here he is, Crest. He doesn't chirp or anything, just puts his head down.
Moves it around.
And around.
Closes his eyes. It's bliss, isn't it?
When he's ready for chuckle, he pecks Mari's hand, dabs at it 3 or 4 times and head down, and sometimes he changes his mind and then he'll do it again and then eventually, this is quite a long chuckle. Yeah. A little bit more.
That's it.
That's
Had
it.
enough, Daddy.
Yes, he's had a... I think he's had enough.
Yeah, he's had enough. He tells